Installing Joomla on cPanel is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log into cPanel. Access your hosting account's cPanel dashboard. Usually, the URL is the following. Set up a database. In cPanel, go to MySQL database wizard. Create a new database and user. Assign all privileges to the user for this database. Note down the database name, username, and password for later use. Download Joomla. Go to joomla.org and download the latest version of Joomla. Upload Joomla to cPanel. Open File Manager in cPanel and navigate to the public_HTML directory. Click Upload to upload the Joomla zip file. Extract the zip file in the public_HTML directory. Run the Joomla installation. Open your browser and go to your domain. Follow the Joomla installation wizard. Enter your site name, admin details, and database credentials. Complete the setup. Finalize the installation. Once installed, remove the installation folder as prompted. Log into the Joomla admin panel at yourdomain.com/administrator to start customizing.